the I Sadukey Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying bullish and bearish trends within the market. The I Sadukey Indicator is a special and practical tool for traders who are looking to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. When the overall market trend is clearly bullish, the indicator prominently displays the significant uptrend by showing distinct red candles, and conversely, when the prevailing trend is decidedly bearish, the indicator accurately shows the substantial downtrend with clear blue trends. Break time equals 0.5s/. Also, if large candles are displayed, it indicates the strength of the trend, and when small candles appear, it signals the end or completion of the bullish or bearish trend in the market. This indicator doesn't have any settings and performs its calculations digitally. No matter which chart you place it on, it will identify and display the trends based on that specific chart. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicators tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.